Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. It is Monday, my Costco days, where I buy all the food I'm going to eat the entire week. This is what I think a healthy diet for me personally should look like. A 37-year-old dude, no major medical problems. My personal goals for the past 4 or 5 months is primarily weight loss. So a lot of protein, healthy fats, fruits and vegetables, not a lot of complex carbohydrates, refined carbohydrates. Let's go shopping. We are back from Costco. Most of this will be gone by the end of the week. Average grocery bill is $80, $90. I never buy this. That is going to a party later. These two are not weekly purchases, so definitely less than $100 a week. Let's head inside. First meal is done. This is normally dinner, but on Mondays, it is fresh out of the oven, so it makes sense to eat it for lunch. I try to get 5 different vegetables. This one has 4 more here, so plenty of variety. Season it with those 2, into the microwave. Super easy to do. This is the first time I've seen it in a bag. Even last week, it was in the plastic container. So maybe they're trying to use less plastic. I am going to eat, head back to work, and then we'll make the next meal. Here is the other meal, 4 eggs seasoned with that stuff, mixed nuts, figs. The seaweed is packaged like this, Costco Kirkland brand. Looks pretty healthy. Same thing with the guac. Ingredients list is pretty clean. For dessert, we have fruits. Like the vegetables, I try to get 3 different ones here, 4 different ones there. And occasionally, I will mix in some of this cereal if I feel like I need extra calories. Next video, we will recalculate everything. I did it 4 or 5 months ago, but a lot has changed. I lost 40 pounds. I am kind of a robot because I could eat the same thing every day. I do go out to eat once or twice a week, but mostly it's this and what we had for lunch. Video 200 done.